Hi, if I were to offer one email marketing tip, it would be to utilize quizzes and surveys within your email marketing platform. So maybe that looks like adding it to your website, adding it to your opt-in forms, but this will allow you to, one, understand your customer a little bit better, and therefore increase your segmentation, also target your customers with custom products and recommendations, and could have the added effect of increasing your opt-in rates as you're providing a more custom experience to the customer.
Hi everyone, my name is Bouquet. I'm an email marketing specialist here at Flowium, and here are 3 tips for your email marketing. Firstly, add SMS to your strategy and send a reminder SMS at the very last day of your sales. This will remind your subscribers that they have one last day to use the discount and can get amazing results for you. Secondly, do not keep sending emails to the same people. Try to identify different segments and speak to those subscribers differently. They will most likely reward you for understanding their needs. Lastly, recognize your VIP customers. If you have customers that are very loyal to your brand, give them exclusive discounts for being your biggest fan. This will help them like your brand even more. So try these 3 tips and I'm sure you'll see great results.
When engaging your audience, what you want to convey to them is a unique value proposition. Let them know that despite the multitude of choices they have, you are their best and sometimes only solution. This can be accomplished in several ways in your email. Design and copy remain your most important weapon. A well-designed email that draws attention and insinuates quality, coupled with compelling copy, is key to convincing your audience to become your customers. Don't be afraid to use product blocks alongside your CTAs. It's not crowding the email, it's offering more information about your value. This engages your target market and furthers your ability to speak to them. And don't be afraid to speak to them directly. They'll appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Janelle, Lead Email Marketing Specialist here at Flowium, and I have a great strategy tip for you for the month of March. Coming off of a busy holiday season, we're now in what's considered sort of an off-season for email marketing, but it's a great time to re-engage the unengaged. Send some re-engagement campaigns to those unengaged lists. Break that list down into really small groups, put each of those groups into a campaign, and watch your engagement go back up. It's a perfect time because you're not competing with all of those seasonal holiday emails. You have a better chance of capturing your audience's attention, and you're prepping your list to be nice and healthy and ready for the next upcoming busy season.
Hey, it means world to us if you click subscribe and hit the bell button, because it helps our channel to grow and gives us ability to produce content for free for you.